I'm so happy that I've got the possibility to add these 2 items to my collection. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover. Longchamp addict, welcome to my channel. Bienvenue à tous, bienvenue les amis. Okay, just a quick video just to show you because I'm really happy. I went this afternoon to a little city where I'm living near, and there's a bag shop, and so you know me, I entered to see what they had, and what my surprise was to find that they still have some replay shoulder bag, and in fact they have 3. This one and 2 others, but to be honest, I directly fell in love with this color combination, you know, this green olive, this blue. It's not marine because I don't know if you can see the shimmery, but it's nice blue, and the leather strap is red, a gorgeous red. So for those who do not know, but Pliage Replay is a line that Longchamp launched last summer. It is made of end of stock from pliage nylon and cuir de Russie leather, which is used for the pliage. And but it was a success, and today there is no more available on the website, and also in Longchamp boutique you do not find them. So, but some shops have them, and also on the internet website of bag shops you can have the possibility to find some, so do not hesitate. I paid the price. It was when it was sold, it is 60 euro, and I also found this little cutie, this Pliage Club Con purse, and I'm so happy because I got no Pliage Club Con purse. I always bought Pliage Club bags. Have a look at my previous video about them, but I did not have the possibility to add this one, and this one retailed for 40 euro. So this one is the color combination plum in English, with blue. It's really gorgeous, so I'm really happy to add this cutie. Pliage Club, why I love this one, and not especially the new model. I will insert a pic of a new model of a Pliage. I do not love the, you know, this piece of leather on the con purse. I think it's not easy. You have to push the button to open it and so on. So I really prefer the older style like this one. And I'm happy to add this one in my collection. So now I've got 2, one from the original line, one from the club line. I'm super happy. So let's go back to the bag, because I know this bag, you love it or you hate it, because a lot of people say this handle is too short, and I can understand. I can put it on my shoulder, but I know not all people can have it. And when I have, you know, a big jacket, it's impossible for me to have it on my shoulder, so I'm just wearing it like this. But guys, if you don't know, this bag can be turned into a crossbody bag. Just let me show you. Here is my strap from my Pliage Neo bag, and you see the hook. This type of hook, I also got them on my Pliage Paris Saint-Tropez, sorry, you know. It's the same hook. I also got the same on my Foulonné bags, you know, the one Saint-Honoré. So this type of hook can fit to the bag. Let me show you. And you can turn it into a crossbody. So just have the same type of hook, you know, a bit large here, and you will see so easily. And look, I will include mod shots you turn it into a crossbody bag. And I do love this bag. I went of this bag because, you know, if you've seen my previous video, I already have this one in the celadon color and violet with blue leather. And I love it, guys. I use it really quite a bunch. But I don't know why. For me, it's a summer bag with this color. I don't know why, because I used to wear purple in winter, and so when I see this one is for me more perfect for winter. So I'm happy to have those two, because one for summer, one for the rest of the year. And yes, I love them because, as I showed you, you can turn it into a crossbody bag. And I love, you've got a tiny pocket inside. Okay, so this is the tag, Longchamp tag. You've got a tiny pocket, and look at this detail. No other Pliage bag except the Replay line got this tag in leather, and I think it's really so cute. It's a detail, but it's so cute. And okay, let's make a turn. Look, it's nearly, I compare it to my Pliage Neo. Look, it's nearly the same size. And let me show you how much you can fit. So I will put, okay, so inside I've got my coach, my wallet. I also have another pouch. Everything fits, guys. It's amazing. I have my cone purse, my candy cone purse, and my card holder. Okay, my lilac one. I have also tissue. Oops. I also have tissue. And I got a pen. Guys, look. All fits perfectly. Okay, I'll show you again. Look how much it can fit. Replay will come back. They will make a comeback with tote bag. If you haven't seen my previous video about the spring-summer collection. And I don't know at the moment if the shoulder bag will be still produced, but guys, if they produce one, and you know now that you can turn it into a crossbody bag, and look how much it can fit. It's amazing. It's amazing. I even fit this summer a tiny bottle of water with my essential in this one. So guys, that's all for today. I just wanted to show you what I grabbed this van for this winter, and I am so happy. And I also had this cutie, and I clearly love it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Do not hesitate to ask any question you may have in the comments below. I will be more than happy to answer you. And stay tuned. A lot of different videos are coming. Bye guys. À bientôt les amis. Je vous embrasse.